Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this video, we will focus on subordinating conjunctions, especially the word because. Subordinating conjunctions are words that connect two parts of a sentence, linking a main idea with a reason or explanation. Because is a subordinating conjunction that introduces a dependent clause explaining why something happens. It connects a reason to the main idea in a sentence to give a clear explanation. Here are some examples using because. I did not go to the party because I was feeling sick. She passed the exam because she studied hard. We canceled the picnic because of the rain. The picnic is canceled because rain is forecast. Notice how because explains the reason in each sentence. More examples help you understand better. He stayed home because he had a cold. They won the game because they practiced a lot. I am happy because it is my birthday today. The store closed early because the owner was sick. Practice noticing the reason sentences attached by because. Now fill in the blank with because. I stayed home blank I had a fever. She cried blank she lost her toy. We are happy blank you came to visit. The baby slept blank he was tired. Think about why something happened to choose the correct word. The correct answers are, I stayed home because I had a fever. She cried because she lost her toy. We are happy because you came to visit. The baby slept because he was tired. Using because gives a reason that connects the two parts. Because is a conjunction followed by a subject and verb. For example, she was late because she missed the bus. Because of is a preposition followed by a noun or a noun phrase. For example, the game was canceled because of the rain. Remember the difference when you use these in sentences. Other prepositions also show cause or reason. The match was canceled because of heavy rain. He succeeded through hard work. She acted out of kindness. The flight was delayed due to technical problems. He was fined for speeding. These words are often used to explain reasons in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.